1, 2, 3, let's go. Check it, beat it, rock it.
Straight into it, guys. Going to show you how we're going to redo the brake cable for the Dragon scooter, but any scooter really. I've got all the parts that I need. You'll need one of those, and you'll need some of this, and a couple of these, and a couple of them. But they, I sourced them from the same person that sold me the cable. So, righto, stage one, let's do it. Now, you got to screw that little piece into the little hole up there. And I'm going to do that off camera. So before you do that though, put on your brass bit and then do this part. Alright, I'm going to turn this off and I'll get back to you when I've done it. That went in easy, guys. You put that bit in. Quite a simple procedure. Make sure you got half decent eyesight. Only got mine checked yesterday for the new driver's license, so my eyesight's alright. Apparently, I reckon it might be questionable, but anyway, that's good. I'll show you what we do next. I nearly stuffed up, eh? I was meant to put this piece on, but luckily we've only got one end on here, so I'll just feed it through the other side. So I nearly made a balls up. Put that on first, then that one, then do that. We'll get this on from the other side, but the theory is, it goes that way, alright? As you're screwing that on, this here pushes that tightly against that end piece. So that's what makes it 100% airtight. So we might just do that bit now. I'll go back to you. Guys, I'm only making this up as I go along. Anyway, I've pushed that brass bit on a bit closer with this device. When I put it in there, the thread wasn't able to get to it. Now it's a lot closer to the end. I'll show you something when I put it on. Too damn easy, blokes. Too easy, eh? Alright, down the stem. We've got it through there. I've got to do something about sticking that a bit better to there. Around there, give myself a little bit of access. And we've come to here with the new cable. It's a little bit long, but I can always push it in a bit. Righto, let's not stuff up. First thing we need to put on is the end bit. I'll show you what that is. Hang on. Well, okay, it appears that I've lost it. Let me retrace my steps from when I pulled it all apart. I've got a feeling it might be outside. Darn it. I'll get back to it. Do you see it? Do you see it anywhere? Far out. A couple of worms the other day. And she was leaking. I'm sure this is where I had it last, guys. I've lost the piece. Maybe it's here. Maybe it's here. No, it's not. You are kidding me. Apparently Shimano is a good replacement. Shimano parts fit, so I guess he's going to the bike shop tomorrow. If I don't find that, we'll have a bit more of a look. I'll get back to you. Yeah, well, confirmed. I think I've thrown it away. Certainly can't find it. Anyway, all it is the threaded bit that screws into there. I'll do an eBay search. I'll figure out what it's called. And maybe go to a bike shop tomorrow. Or otherwise, worst comes to worst, I'll find something on eBay. Yeah, so we're back on the hunt again. Still waiting for the hydraulic brake bleeder as well. That's still got to come. And I'll just get the hydraulic oil from the bike shop. Might do it tomorrow if I go past. Alright, thanks for watching. Not a complete success, but by the next video I shall correct I wrong? Thanks for watching. Bye bye.